J.D. Vance, who I'm a big fan of, and Tim Ryan, who is not as moderate as he seems, but I can absolutely see voters in Ohio thinking, you know, they're both pretty smart guys. They both say pretty reasonable stuff. I don't know. But you have to search for examples where they're non-morons.
Yeah, if you presented it as he claims to be a moderate, but his voting record doesn't seem to be moderate, I need to dig into that more. But that's not what I hear people say. It's always the sort of thing I was just talking about. You know,
I'm not sure he cares about families like mine.
Oh, yeah, it's like, you know, to go way back, the so-called George Bush looking at his watch in the debate. I mean, if that's the way you make your decisions on these things, what? Like, if I'm talking to somebody and we completely disagree on politics, like I believe we have institutional racism that's completely unfair, and we need to have representative. Okay, you have thought about this. This is what you've decided, even if I think it's crackpot. But I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I don't know, he seems nice, but the other guy doesn't. I don't even know how to talk to you.
You know, I don't want to come off as cynical, because I'm really not. But, you know, Churchill said anybody who's a fan of democracy should spend 5 minutes with the average voter. An old friend of ours once said, don't hang out with your friends at your favorite places and assume this is America. Go to the state fair, go to the country concert, go to Walmart, whatever. That's America. That's the voters. Well, to a large extent.
Well, the undecided with 6 days to go is who decides these elections.
They can't decide whether to pick their nose or eat paste. I understand what you're saying.
If you miss an hour, get the podcast.
Armstrong and Getty.
From pumpkin spiced apple cider, fall is the tastiest time of the year, and HelloFresh makes it deliciously easy to savor all that the season has to offer with mouthwatering recipes delivered right to your door.
Right now, you can treat yourself to gourmet meals and pick up cooking skills along the way with the new limited-time Harvest Dinner Series, complete with easy-to-follow video tutorials.
And HelloFresh Market makes hosting your next tailgate or party easier than ever with fall flavors. A rotating selection of fall-inspired brunch kits, dessert boards, and more available for a limited time this season.
With more than 35 weekly recipes to choose from and the ingredients delivered right to your home, HelloFresh helps spice up the cooking routine with fewer trips to the store.
And it even saves you money, too, like it saves us money. HelloFresh is actually 25% cheaper than grocery shopping. So sign up today for 65% off plus free shipping with the code Armstrong65 at HelloFresh.com/Armstrong65. That's code Armstrong65. HelloFresh.com/Armstrong65.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose. A Cumulus media station.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic. Better news in Orinda, West 24th, the Caldecott Tunnel. A SIG alert canceled. An earlier accident in the left lane of the left 4. That has been cleared, but traffic still in recovery mode. Major backup just beyond Acalanes. Baybridge Toll Plaza, metering lights are on. Solid backup into the maze. Sluggish all the way across onto the Skyway. West 80 slows from the Richmond Parkway into the maze. That's traffic. I'm Paul Lamont.
This report is sponsored by Walgreens. Finding the right Medicare plan was no easy feat until I found Walgreens Find Rx coverage. Compare plans online, over the phone, or in person, and find plans with low-cost copays. When you need to talk Medicare, Walgreens is here. Start shopping today at walgreens.com/Medicare.
This report is sponsored by Jumpstart MD. Low testosterone can cause loss of muscle tone, fatigue, or sexual dysfunction. Are your hormone levels optimal for your age? Jumpstart MD offers bioidentical hormone replacement therapy in all 12 Bay Area locations. Call a specialist today to schedule an assessment at 855-JUMPSTART or visit jumpstartmd.com.
You wash your hands, you brush your teeth, but what about the nose? How do you clean your nose? With Navage. Navage uses powered suction to pull saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out the other nostril, flushing out allergens, mucus, and germs. And it's why cleaning your nose, the body's air filter, is the next evolution in daily personal hygiene. People try Navage for lots of reasons. Sinusitis, colds, allergies, snoring, things that make it hard to breathe through your nose. But over time, they find that cleaning their nose makes them feel better, a lot better. Over 3 million Navage users have written more than 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, saying, best product I've ever used, and amazing, I love my Navage. Navage helps you breathe better, sleep deeper, and snore less, but the biggest payoff is improved health. Navage is good personal hygiene and can help you stay healthier. At Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, and online. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E. Clean nose, healthy life.
Termites, maybe not really on your mind. Maybe you've been putting off calling even though you know you have an infestation. Did you know that termites will thrive with rain and could seriously increase their impact on your home? This is Joe Starkey. Pacific Coast Termite has already been to my home, and I'm telling you, we needed it. And not only do we need it, we found out places we needed it we didn't even think we needed it. It was an amazing experience, and I can't tell you how valuable it has been to my family and our house. Pacific Coast Termite uses orange oil, no fumigation.
Let's get started. Drive safely. Turn left on 16th Street.
Pacific Coast Termite is a trusted company for many years and are A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau.
Turn left on 16th Street.
10% off termite treatments. They also do apartment buildings, businesses, and restaurants.
In a quarter of a mile.
Pacific
Turn left on 19th Street.
Problem too. Call 800-PACIFIC. 800-PACIFIC. That's 800-722-4342 or PacificCoastTermite.com.
If you're considering selling your San Jose area home, how would you like to make an extra $187,000 or more guaranteed on the sale of your home? There's only one realtor you should trust, and that guarantees the sale of your home. That's Sherrod with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in San Jose. Sherrod's truly innovative fix and flip your home program guarantees that your home will sell for the most amount of money, or Sherrod will buy it himself. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Sherrod will buy your home for cash in 24 hours. Sherrod will then help you move anywhere in the United States. Next, Sherrod will fix and flip your home free of cost and turn it into a buyer's dream home to get top dollars. Lastly, when Sherrod sells your renovated home for above market value, you will receive all the difference, guaranteed. Call Sherrod today at 408-740-7400. That's 408-740-7400. Or visit TradeMyHome.com. That's TradeMyHome.com.
When Bill and I needed new windows over 20 years ago, we picked a company we thought would do a good job. We were so disappointed.
So we saw a genuine need for a company with strong character, one that people could have faith in.
American Vision Windows was born right then and there.
The best thing about working for American Vision Windows, and with customers specifically, is having their dreams come true. And we try to accomplish the best job we can to make them happy.
It was a great experience. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
I've been in the construction trade for 35 years. The level of quality of products that they use for their prep work was top-notch.
American Vision Windows continues to revolutionize the home improvement industry, one customer at a time, while changing the lives of our employees for the better. It's so simple.
Happy employees, happy customers.
0% interest, 0 payments for 12 months. Call 855-339-9956. That's 855-339-9956. Or visit AmericanVisionWindows.com. Unapproved credit. Not all applicants will qualify. Cannot be combined with any other offers. New customers only. Restrictions apply. Call or see website for details. Offer expires 11/30/2022. CSLB number 778326.
The Armstrong and Getty Show.
Got a couple of texts on the fact that the Powerball is $1.2 billion and they're drawn tonight. On the chances of winning, somebody said it's a 50-50. Either win or you don't. Also, somebody texted, and I've always wondered about this, but it's clear that the emotion is not the same. Wouldn't you prefer that they give out $1 million to 1,200 people? Yeah, I would.
I've said that many times.
You wouldn't.
Yeah, I think that'd be super cool. How exciting would that be?
But you wouldn't sell near as many tickets for some reason. People feel like if I won $15 million, I'm not going to buy a ticket. What? But if I'm a billionaire, I'll buy a whole bunch of tickets. I'll wait in line at the store that sold the last winning ticket because I believe in Hocus Pocus.
Powerball! That's right, son.
So I don't know if you've been following the Supreme Court, but there's a hell of a big case going on right now. A couple of cases, actually, deciding whether Harvard, which is a private institution, and the University of North Carolina, a public institution, can continue to factor race into admission policies. As Jack pointed out earlier, there are a number of states that claim to have eliminated that, although that is dishonest, and we'll talk about that in a moment or two. But some of the back and forths there at the court have been quite intriguing. We want to play a couple of them for you. Let's begin with clip number 70, Michael. This is Justice Kavanaugh with Ryan Park, who is one of the attorneys arguing in favor of factoring race into admissions.
How are applicants from Middle Eastern countries classified? From Jordan, Iraq, Iran,